In this video, I'm going to review Phonesites and show you everything that you need to know about this software. I will also include a discounted link so you get your money's worth for Phonesites, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them below. So, Phonesites is a no-code software that helps you launch sales funnels and build landing pages, as well as create your own digital business cards. And you can do all of this from your phone or from your PC. Once you're on a dashboard, you can create a website by clicking the button in the top right corner, and you can start from scratch by clicking the blank website option, or pick from hundreds of professionally designed mobile optimized templates. All of the templates are fully customizable, and once you have your website, you can edit it by clicking on it in your dashboard. And like I said, it's fully customizable, so you can edit the text just by double clicking. You can change the color of every element as well. And if you don't like the placement of one of your elements, you can easily change it with Phonesites drag and drop editor, as you can see. And you can easily add new elements just by clicking the plus icon on the bottom of the editor. You can add things such as video, photo, CTA button, or even a form. And once you're on the edit page of your website, you can also go to settings to change things like the page URL or the favicon. And Phonesites also has a built-in QR code generator that, once scanned, will take you directly to the page that you are editing. You can also see statistics for this specific page, as well as create follow-ups with a custom delay. You can pick whether you want it to be a couple of minutes, hours, or days. Phonesites has a couple of very useful tools, my favorite one being the AI writer. It creates professional-looking text based on your prompt or your own short description. And it can be anything from a Google or a Facebook ad to a product description or even a professional looking email. Phonesites also has a widget builder where you can generate a pop-up message that will appear on your website when either a user scrolls a certain amount of the page or after a certain amount of time. So another one is the contact link generator that, as you can see, it creates a link to your contact details to be added in a phone contact list. And you just need to fill out all of this information and send someone the link. Once opened, it downloads a VCF file, which is a standard format for storing contact information. So the last one of the tools is a postcard management, where, as you can see, you can manage your postcards and buttons. And if you don't know what this is, you can just hover your mouse over this little question mark icon and click Learn More. That will take you to the knowledge base, where you get a video tutorial on how to set up an NFC postcard with your digital business card that you can create through the website. And you can access the knowledge base from your dashboard as well, here under video training. There are 55 videos that will teach you how to use Phonesites, which is very useful for beginners as well. Speaking of helpful features, Phonesites also has something called Phonesites Academy. You can access it easily from your dashboard as well. There is Phonesites Bootcamp, which through a series of pre-recorded videos will teach you how to structure funnels and generate traffic, as well as how to monetize Phonesites. You can schedule a strategy call or hire an expert to help you build your website. And there's also affiliate kickoff training. So, in my opinion, Phonesites is a great software that balances powerful features with simple, intuitive, very user-friendly interface. And it also provides you with lots and lots of online resources and video tutorials. It's definitely a user-oriented software, and it's very easy to get used to. And I think that it will easily help you create your digital business card or your landing page or launch your sales funnel in no time.